Hello to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. And in today's video, I've just got a really quick unboxing to do. And it's actually, can you tell? I am so excited. In honor of Pride Month, I went all out and got a couple different orders. This is the second one that actually came in. I'm gonna open it first because I am that excited. So let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, look on the inside. Got this very pretty Jeffree star. Tissue paper. Oh my gosh, I saved everything, so I'm gonna have to hang on to these. Ooh. First thing I had gotten, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And it's not the shade that I imagined. Ooh, but it looks so awesome on camera. It's supposed to be black, but it actually looks kind of gray. I'm not mad at it. Love it. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's got a little Jeffree star on the zipper. Ooh, yes. Yes, I love it. It's got a little pocket up front. It's got a little pocket on the inside. Sweet. So I'm going to be able to store my Jeffree Star stuff in there. I wonder if the blood sugar will fit. Probably, but barely. Oof. The next thing. Oh, Susan Anthony, you have done too much. You got me hooked. But I love it so much. Thank you so much for the Beauty Killer palette. It was an actual gift she had sent to me. It was the very first Jeffree Star product I had. And then I had to order the blood sugar. And I got this Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Unicorn Blood. Oof, love it. So I just had to continue with my collection. This is the Androgyny. Love the packaging. It's like faux leather. There's the shades. Wow, I just love it. Love, love, love it. It's got a nice big mirror. Ooh, yes. My fourth Jeffree Star product. And my first merch. I am so excited. 10 jaw-dropping shades. Vegan, cruelty-free, long-lasting, buttery, and delicious. Here is our version of a neutral palette. Oh, I love neutral. I mean, I don't really love neutrals. I love their version of the neutral palette. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I am totally bold. Love bright colors, as you can tell. Oh, so awesome. And the final thing, the La Pizza Resistance. Oh, yes. I wish I could save this sticker. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it so much. Oh. shooting my thumbnail. Ooh, yes. Oh, I love the packaging. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love it. We've got Diva, Red Rum, Flamethrower, Queen Bee, Equality, Breakfast at Tiffany's, Blue Velvet, and I Am Royalty. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love it. Maybe they'll make a better thumbnail. Sorry guys. Ooh. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. So we're actually having our Pride Fest this weekend. It's gonna be on, I believe, Friday or Saturday. I'll have to definitely go and do a look and shoot a bunch of video for you guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm still kind of debating what I should do for my eye look, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. This is my first time going this high up with my contour. I don't think I'm loving it that much, but it kind of feels like I got a Santa beard going on. Anywho. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading every single one of your comments. So I'll see you in the next one. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned.